Hello students, welcome back to my channel. In this video, I am going to share few MCQs based on Bronsted theory. Moving to the first question. According to Bronsted theory, an acid is. Pause the video and try to answer. A. Proton acceptor. B. Proton donor. C. Amphoteric. D. Protophilic. So according to Bronsted theory, an acid is a proton donor. So option B is the right answer. Coming to the second question, the relative strength of acids are. If you carefully see the options, all the acids are hydrohalic acids. So here the strength of acids totally depends upon the size of the halogen. So here what are the halogens? Fluorine, chlorine, bromine and iodine. So in the case of halogens, the size of the halogens increases from top to bottom. Here the strength of acids depends upon the size. As the size of the halogens increases, the strength of the acids also increases. So depending upon the strength, you can give the relative strength. So pause the video, try to get the answer. Option A, HI is greater than HCl greater than HBr greater than HF. Option B, HF greater than HCl greater than HBr greater than HI. Option C, HBr greater than HF greater than HCl greater than HI. Option D, HI greater than HBr greater than HCl greater than HF. So undoubtedly the strength of acid is highest in the case of HI, then HBr, then HCl and finally HF. So option D is the right answer. Coming to the third question, the conjugate acid of HPO4 minus. You know how to calculate conjugate acid. You just pause the video and try to calculate. So conjugate acid means just add a proton. Then the conjugate acid of HPO4 minus 2 will become H2PO4 minus. Hence, what is the right option? Yes, it's option A. Option A is the right answer. Coming to the question number 4, the conjugate base of sulfuric acid. Now tell me how to calculate conjugate base. You just remove a proton. You just pause the video and try to answer the question. So whenever if a proton is removed from the sulfuric acid, then it becomes HSO4 minus. Hence, option A is the right answer. Moving to the fifth question, the solvent which is neither proton donor nor proton acceptor is. So it is called as aprotic solvent. Generally organic solvents are aprotic solvents. You just pause the video and try to answer. Option A, acetic acid. Option B, ammonia. Option C, benzene. Option D, water. So option C, benzene is the right answer. Finally, I would like to conclude this video by sharing a test question. Identify conjugate acid base pair. Conjugate acid base pair means that differs by only one proton. This is the hint. And coming to the options, option A, HF, HCOOH. Option B, HF, HCOO, H2 plus. Option C, F minus, HCOOH. Option D, HF and F minus. If you like the video, don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Thanks for watching. Have a nice day.